my name is Monika Pärnsalu, and I am a project manager at the Tallinn Creative Incubator. Tallinn Creative Incubator was established in 2006, and our main focus is to help local entrepreneurs to grow their businesses. And nowadays, we help them to grow their businesses towards circularity and sustainability. Within the frame of CCC project, we have two programs for entrepreneurs and local citizens. For entrepreneurs, we have a mentoring and support program. We offer mentor sessions, trainings, case study sharings, and there will be several various topics. We are already running a series of events called Design Meets Science. There we every time introduce a new sustainable material like mushroom mycelium, bioblast, timber, etc.